wooden bridge still serving as lifeline for more than 5,000 people in Nilip. KSA demands punishment of doctor and closure of pharmacy. While Jumbo vandalizes Menmeji cooperative lamps go down. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Sipi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. Despite the relentless efforts by the government and the health workers and the administration, the count in deaths from COVID-19 is still rising in the state and more hundreds of new cases reported daily. Assam ranks among the top states to have delivered good results in its fight against corona, and the government has left no means to stop the spread of the virus. But despite so many precautions taken, the state has reported 18,666 positive cases till Tuesday with 46 deaths. The main epicenter of corona in the state has now confined to the Guwahati metro city, which has seen more than 500 new cases daily in the past couple of weeks. Moreover, the city is still under lockdown, and the government has said that they may extend the lockdown if people are seen disobeying the norms more blatantly. The good side of the story in Assam is that 12,173 patients have so far recovered from the disease. In Karbi Anglong, 232 positive cases, out of which 187 have recovered and 42 active and 3 had died. No report of new cases has been reported in the last few days from Dima Hasao. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Even after being located close at hand with the Nilip Block Development Office, a wooden bridge which has been laying in a pathetic condition for the last 10 years had not received the attention of the department officials and the local public representatives. So people are forced to risk their life and travel through it. Nilip is one of the most underdeveloped and unprivileged area among the 26 MEC constituencies under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. None of the local MECs from the place has so far got the opportunity to serve as an executive member in the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and people have cited this to be one of the reasons for the lack of development and for the long neglect and indifference. This damaged wooden bridge lying in a worse condition waiting for the authority to repair it. However, no one seems interested to bother themselves with it. More than 150 villages of the Karbi and Rengma community use this bridge as their lifeline that connects them with the town. For the last 10 years, the commuters have managed to use the bridge by carrying out temporary repair works, and now they are tired of it. Thus, they have urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to direct its officials to set things right for the people of this neglected constituency. Justin Rongpis report from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live. In a meeting held on Tuesday, the Karbi Students Association, Dima Hasao District Committee has decided not to hold Students Felicitation Program at this time of crisis, but to arrange it when the situation turns normal. This was decided in the executive meeting convened to discuss the celebration of 61st Karbi Students' Day on July 21. The meeting was attended by the President Longsing Rongpi and Secretary Dhonsing Teron along with several other executive members. The organization stated that the organization will not celebrate the Students' Day in the way held every year, but will observe the day with attendance of few number of members.
Kardom, my name is Priyanka Togipi. I live in Rongkangtoi, Umrasu, Dima Hasao, Assam. Today, my result was declared and I got 86.2%. I passed out my matriculation exam from Vikivi Umrasu, Dima Hasao, Assam.
On the brighter side, Priyanka Tokbipi, daughter of Sarmen Tokbi and Kasang Hansepi of Garampani constituency in Dima Hasao, secured 86.2% marks with letter in 4 subjects in the Class 10 examination conducted by the CBSE. The KSA team went to her house to congratulate and express their happiness by felicitating her.
KSA Dima Hasao District Committee Hengten Unitum Executive Meeting KSA Asaya Hemlong Niditum Deng Kondo La Pendinitum Meeting along Kacharai Pon La Hendo Anikan Wang Chonse Karbi student day Army non July 21 Army lo Itu KSA maha thek katalon ponje Lasu kita ni pun pacarai kondan lo
Linson Rongham from Umrangso, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. MS Pangchol Stationery. Humri damra langdamikha. Labang suwa kula dalong nanglitum kirang soro hormuan long iji. Lake ason kecho hormu. Nangli hemarlu kapang jangjia phan kenang soro hormu. Lapen kapre ka son nanglitum longpon iji. Humri damlote nanglitum thegi longji. Lasi Humri damikha Pangchol Stationery. Ka Humri dam nang jadim lake Rongkhilan Dipu Manja Road, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School adu Dipu Karbi Anglong. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Students Association has strongly demanded stringent action and immediate cancellation of license of Dr. S.K. Das, who had been accused of molesting a female patient at a private pharmacy in Dipu on Tuesday. At a time when doctors across the world are fighting corona and saving lives, an ENT doctor identified as Dr. S.K. Das has been accused of molesting a female patient at Anjali Pharmacy at Dipu Market on July 14. The shameful act was exposed by victim before state and local media. Following this, the KSA has demanded strong action against the doctor and cancellation of his license from the Assam Medical Council without any further delay.
So song tu alang ni tumta kamatha dulu mune alang ni tumta labang so hot lang no tu head kitpolo abang kipan cerapen alang ni tum hala non chuklen ve Dr. S.K. Das man ahin alang ka ningjelo mune ningje je prong ni dili katuluri kam tumang nali tumta ningje na ji athinon labang so government ke aro so mar tum han raikom ivegi bisi ningje.
While condemning the act of Dr. Das, the students' organization said that it was a disgrace for the whole medical fraternity. At a time when people around the world are showing their greatest respect for doctors, such act is very shameful and sickening. The students' organization has also demanded that the Anjali Pharmacy, where the shameful incident was carried out by the accused doctor, should be immediately closed.
Labang so alam ras kimo jai dak ai he sonte labang so doctors mo ki bang lang ni dalang sisi orang mo sudah se Fransi alam di tipo ve ka bang ki bang di dum alang ni laan aning jerot good pen mithan ki po ve alam alang ni ke thang hai pot ni dum alang ni thang ni dum ning jing sampik kasi aroso pimar tabe mon ki bang lang ni.
With camera person Sergio Kathar, Roshan Hansis report, Karbi Anglong Live. In yet another case of animal-man conflict that has come in Karbi Anglong, a wild jumbo had on Tuesday night entered and vandalized the Menmeji Cooperative Lambs Godown. The incident took place inside the Dongkamukam Forest Range area at Menmeji. Lamb Secretary Sanjay He told reporters that the elephant broke the door of the godown and ate up about 3 packages of rice. Nearby became alert while the elephant was inside and they managed to chase it away. The jumbo also caused damage to the boundary wall on its way out.
12টা 45 তেনেকুৱা সময়ত আহিছিলে
কেইটামান হাতী আছে
এটা
কি অনিষ্ট কৰিলা
বেয়া কৰাটো এইটো আমাৰ গুদামৰ দৰ্জাটো আৰু বাউণ্ডাৰী ৱালটো ভাঙি
আৰু ভিতৰত মজুত থকা চাউলো খাইছিল কিমানমান চাউল খাইছিল
2টা 3টা তেনেকুৱা হ'ব চাগে
2-3 বস্তা খাইছিল এটা হাতী আছিলে ইয়াৰ আগতো আহিছে নেকি
ইয়াৰ আগত দুবাৰ আহিলে এই বছৰতে 3বাৰ হ'ল
3বাৰ নষ্ট কৰিলে.
Meanwhile, the giant beast also entered the house of Sanjoy Terang and ate about 1 quintal paddy kept in the barn.
মানে ঘৰ ভঙালে আৰু ভঁৰাল ধান 5 মোন মান খালে আৰু 12 নহয় 1:30টা বজাত সময়হে মানে ঘৰটো ভঙাইছে.
ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত কি লোকচান হৈছে আপোনাৰ?
ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত মানে ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত একো পোৱা নাই. এতিয়া পাকঘৰত ভঙাইছে মুকৈ কেইটামান খালে তেতিয়া ভঁৰাল ধৰিলে 5 মোন মান ধান খালে.
Local residents have informed that this was not the first time in Menmeji. There was already few other incidents in the recent past of the wild elephants coming to human territory in search of food. It may be mentioned that the rice inside the godown was stored to be distributed to the people through the National Food Security Act. Mohan Teron from Kheroni, Karbi Anglong Live. In another case of lethargic attitude towards developmental works by contractor, Mon Bahadur, among villagers have alleged that contractor who was allotted construction of PMGSY road connecting Mon Bahadur to Amrang Inti village falling under Borjan constituency have failed to build double culvert in the area, due to which one house have been affected by floodwaters. According to the villagers, the house belonging to Papu Bordoloi was hit by floodwater due to the absence of drainage for water to flow. The villager also said that the matter have been earlier informed and apprised to the concerned officials but did not get any response. Following this, the villagers have made appeal upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM and Bokajan MLA for their prompt action to end their problems once and for all.
স্কিমৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ ঘৰটো বেয়া হৈছে আৰু ৱালবিলাকো ভাঙি গৈছে আৰু এই আসল মতে এইটো আসলে কিবা কলপাট দিব লাগিছিল কলপাট ইহঁতে এটাই দিছে তিনিটা দিয়া কথা আছিলে এটাও দিয়া নাই আৰু লাষ্টতে এটা ভৰাই পেলাই থৈ দিছে এতিয়া ঘৰ পুৰা বেয়া হৈ গ'ল আৰু এইটো আপোনালোকে চাই দিব লাগে MLA ছাৰক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ EM ছাৰকো অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ যে যাতে আমাৰ এই স্কিমটো কাৰণে আমাৰ ভাল কিবা চাই দিয়ক এই কষ্ট পাইছে যিবিলাকে এইবিলাক ভালকৈ চোৱাৰ অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ
Bijay Rongpi from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.